In this drawing study, we're going to have a close look into the forearm and the hands. In our composition study, we already did a rough drawing, including the arm. But that was more focusing on the large composition, the large shape, the large proportions. Let's look at where we're going to include the entire arm and hands and fingers. So we're going to put that over the back of the arm over here, the front of the hand. Let's put it here. So it's very important to figure out where you're going to put the whole shape. In the composition study, we already know that how this relate to the whole body, the shoulder, the arm, and the head and the face and the background, right? Now here we're just going to focus on what is the whole portion of the study we're going to fit in. So we're going to have enough space to doing the detailed study. So I'm going to see this as a one, like at the angle from here, coming down a little bit lower. Let's see the arm over here, like that. It'll be able to focusing on the shape and not get distracted by the details at the beginning. It's very important, like that. Okay, this is very nice. Next thing we're going to do, I'm going to start shading some bigger area. As a member, you will gain access to my recorded videos featuring my personal drawing and painting projects. If you really love portrait drawing and painting, please come to join my journey as you're going to see how I go through every step of my process in my personal painting projects. Thank you for your continuing support.